Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I wanted to update you guys on even more CRO utility that's been recently announced for anyone who lives in South Korea. Crypto.com gift cards are now available in South Korea, which means a lot of people, who live there will be buying a lot more CRO than usual as you need CRO to pay for the gift cards. But not only that, you also get higher percentages back if you stake 10,000 CRO or more in Earn or the card stake. So, for example, if you go in the app, you for Safeway gift cards on the app, if you pay with CRO, you get 2.5% cash back. If you have an active 3-month CRO term in Earn or an active stake of at least 10,000 CRO on the exchange or the Crypto.com app, which would be like the debit cards, then you get 5% cash back. So it goes from 2.5 to 5. So it basically doubles. And so it incentivizes people to stake for just either in Earn to buy CRO and stake 10,000 in Earn, or get a debit card or stake it in the exchange. As you get way better deals if you do that. And if you guys don't know where the gift cards are on Crypto.com, because it's kind of hard to even know that they have it or where it's at. So you're on the home menu when you log in, and in the top right, not the chat button, but there's one that says pay. You click on that, and then on the top there'll be gift cards, airtime scans, and send. Obviously, you click gift cards, and then you can click shop now on that, and then that gives you like a whole list of different gift cards you can buy on the app with CRO, and then also it tells you basically what cashback you get, which the cashback is paid in CRO, and then also if you have a CRO stake with 10,000 CRO or more, how much cashback that'll get you for the card. So this will be very bullish for CRO, as we can already see that the price is rising of CRO currently. It was like 5 to 6 cents. It was all the way at 9 cents even today. And we can see on a 14-day, it's trending upwards. And it's green on all of them as of right now, except the 1 hour. The most important ones are the 7-day, 14-day, 30-day, and 1 year, and even 90-day and all that. So now that I've showed you guys this tweet and how you can get up to 10% back on gift cards for Starbucks, CUB, HC Chicken, and much more with gift cards, of them being available in South Korea now, I wanted to tell you guys something about the gift cards, because there's something that can be confusing. So the one thing about the gift cards that's confusing is if you're thinking of buying CRO simply to sell it for the gift card, like to pay for the gift cards like right away, obviously there's a fee for using your own personal debit card to purchase crypto in the app. In the United States, I think it's like $2 or 2.99% as a fee for using a debit card. So and obviously you can also deposit fiat. That takes a few days, like the US dollars or euro, whatever your local currency is. You can deposit that in, and then you can exchange that for CRO. But there is a spread in the Crypto.com app, so if you don't have access to the exchange, then there is like I think it's kind of a big spread, like 1% or higher spread. So so if you may be wondering, well, what's the point of getting 5% back if I'm gonna have to pay like 3% in the to top it up with to add to buy CRO with my debit card, and then also the spread of buying CRO and even if you did add fiat and takes a few days, and then you buy CRO, well, maybe the spread defeats the like cash back you would get, because some of them aren't 5 or 10% back. Some of them are just like 2% back with the CRO stake. So that the spread might not basically make it counterintuitive, like you don't actually get any cash back due to the fees. So the way I personally avoid all that is by using any of the Crypto.com's ecosystem products, such as Crypto Earn or the debit cards, which what I mean by that is, like, for example, I get 5% cash back and 12% interest paid out weekly, and a 2% bonus in Crypto Earn. The 2% bonus in Crypto Earn and the 5% cash back is all paid in CRO. And I get like the 12% interest is paid out weekly as well. So I get 12% paid out weekly in CRO. So that free money that I get from staking in Icy White, I use that CRO that I get for free and do one of three things with it. I buy a gift card with it, I trade it for another cryptocurrency, or I hold on to it for a price increase of itself and then decide what to do with it. So this is a great way to still get that high percentage gift cards with it. So you can take full advantage of it. So I would recommend definitely staking for like the Jade Green Royal Indigo, or if your budget fits it, the Icy White, if you think it's worth it for you. Like, do all the math and everything and see if it's you know, a good idea for you. The Jade Green and Royal Indigo, I did a YouTube poll thing, and a lot of you guys said the Jade Green and Royal Indigo was the best card to go for, which it gives you 10% interest paid out weekly, so you can use that interest you earn to buy the gift cards. And if you have the Icy White, you get plus 2% paid in CRO on 1 month and 3 month in terms on Crypto Earn. So you can add that CRO to also use as payment. So it's basically getting free CRO and then getting even more like a discount on it as well. So you get free CRO and then use it for the gift cards, which you get like 5% back paid out in CRO. So it's pretty cool how the ecosystem works like that. I would not personally buy CRO just to use it for the gift cards though, because there's too many fees involved in all that. And it just isn't as beneficial. So anyways, this news is very bullish for CRO, and I plan on seeing more use cases coming out for CRO, and Crypto.com. I plan to see Crypto.com expanding their services to different countries, as that's what they always seem to be doing. I don't like it. So hopefully it's true. Hopefully they keep doing it. And I mean, so far they've been showing that they're still trucking along and doing their thing and expanding their services and trying to become more adopted with CRO and stuff. So very bullish news. It just came out February 8th. So just like a week ago or less. So what do you guys personally find the most bullish about CRO? Just leave a comment down below, because I'd be interested in hearing what you guys think. And so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.